to a place called Nangka Waterfall, which is just south of Bogor. So right now, I'm staying in Bekasi, and so it's going to take me probably close to 3 hours to get there. Cepat ya bang. Maaf, kelamaan.
Jordan ya?
Jordan, ya benar.
China?
Bukan, campuran. Kalau bapak dari Taiwan.
Tapi kayak orang barat ya?
Iya, Taiwan sama Amerika.
Oh, tapi bisa ke Indonesia?
Bisa. Ya, dulu pernah 2 tahun di sini.
Tapi orang tua di sini ya?
Enggak, di Amerika.
Oh, di Amerika?
Iya, aku aja ke sini. Siap, terima kasih. Kayaknya jam 8 gitu mungkin.
Siap.
Balik ke sini. Terima kasih ya.
Siap.
This bridge is cool. You brave? That doesn't look very good. Got some pieces missing right here. Okay, so we just made it here and it's 4:20, so sunset is in 1 hour. But they said it's only about 300 meters into the park, so shouldn't be too big of a deal. Ooh, monkey. Monkeys everywhere. Oh shoot. Monkey following us. Found some more monkeys. Got a bunch of them. Well, that was sketchy. They're all coming back up here to meet me again. I think if I just put this Coca Cola away, it'll be fine. So many freaking monkeys. Crazy. Making some weird noises. Here, watch, there's one behind you too. Oh, you're good. So apparently they were all chasing because I had my Coca Cola out. That was a bit sketchy. So that's the main thing right there, main waterfall. Comes from this little thing. And apparently there's another waterfall up here. Just finished taking some pictures at the waterfall. It was kind of sad we couldn't even go down to like the big main waterfall because apparently they don't let you go if it looks like it's going to rain because it's dangerous or something. So probably better to come during the hot season than the rainy season. And now we're about to get rained out again, so might find some food. Selamat sore. Ah, nggak usah. Makasih. But one of my favorite things about Indonesia is how nice the people are. Every single person will invite you to come have coffee with them or tea with them or eat dinner with them, even if they have no idea who you are and you're some random foreigner, which is pretty cool. This place is super pretty though. Indonesia has tons of like little places like this where they have waterfalls and little bridges that you can take pictures on. They always have like little food places. Usually they sell Indomie, which is like Indonesian instant noodles, and they usually also have like fried rice and like other simple things, drinks that you can get if it starts raining, like right now. Okay, so we're gonna try to get as far as we can before it starts raining hard and just stop wherever the wind takes us.
Or the rain takes us.
Where the rain takes us. Just finished our meal. Pretty delicious, but it has been pretty hard to find vegetarian food here. It's basically just like fried rice and fried noodles. Whew, that was wet. Okay, and now we're gonna go back to the train station and head home. Okay, let's sit here. Good one. We got a seat. Last minutes in Indonesia.
Last couple hours.
Just said goodbye to Cora for the last time, which is kind of strange because we've been together for so long. It's been 2 weeks of basically 24/7. So it's kind of weird. And now I just had a friend invite me to come watch the US-Netherlands World Cup game. And so I'm gonna go meet up some Indonesian friends and watch some football. We lost.
Sayang sekali, Bu.
Sayang sekali. Kalah terus ini. And now it's time to go home. Peace out.